Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix League of Legends. Sorry, we detected a problem with your installation. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So first things first, you're going to close down the right client, and then you're going to search for the League of Legends app. From here, going to right click, and then you're going to open file location, and then from here do it again. And then right here, you're going to search for it, and here for League of Legends. Then once you find the .exe client, right click and go to properties. Now from here, you're going to check compatibility, and then you're going to run compatibility troubleshooter to fix any issues directed by the Windows itself. You're going to try recommended settings and go through the steps, and then from there, you're going to run this program compatible for, if Windows 8 doesn't work, then try Windows 7, Vista, and then from here, you're going to run this program as administrator, and then click OK. And then solution number 2 is to use Hex tool. Simply search for the application right here, Hextech Repair Tool, and you'll find this one, Automated Troubleshooting Hextech Repair Tool. And then from here, you're going to download for Windows or for Mac, depending on what computer you'll use. And I'll leave a short video in the description to show you how to use it. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.